In today's video, we will see how to create label creators for printing a barcode. So go to the catalogings module. In here there's a tool section available. So go to the label creators and tool section. Click on it. A layout is used to define the field you want to appear on your labels. So adding a new layout, first you have to click on the new icon and click on new button, and in here click on the layouts. Using the form that appear, decide what appear on your labels in here. So first in the form there's a option for layout name. Enter a name for the layout to help you identify it later. Next, choose barcode. So if this is a barcode label, choose the encoding. The code 39 is the most common. After that there is a option for choose layout type. So choose what type of information is printed to be labeled. Next is your bibliographic data to print. So if you choose to print bibliographic data on the label, choose from the present list of the field which field appear on the label and in which order. So alternatively, you can click on the list field to enter your own data in here. If you don't want to use the choose order text field to print, you can enter according to your own data in here. Next is your draw guided boxes. So choose if guidelines are printed around each label. Next is your split call numbers. Choose if call number should be split. Next is your text justification. Choose the text justification alignment, left, center or right. Next is your font. So choose the font type in here. Next is your font size. Enter the font size and points in here. Next is the oblique title. If you choose, the title should be italicized. After filling all the fields in your layouts, click on the save icon. So this is the label layouts I have created. After filling all the necessary fields like this, click on the save icon. Now after saving, your layouts will appear under manage layouts. So whatever the layouts you have created in here, click on the layouts and the layout you have created, it will be appear in here like this. So if you want to edit an existing layout in the table of currently available layouts, click on the edit icon in here and you'll be able to see the details in here. So change the necessary values and click save whatever the value you want to edit, and after that click on the save icon. Now if you want to delete an existing layout, in here click on the delete button next to the layout you want to delete and confirm the deletion. It will be permanently deleted. Now when we create our layout, now second we have to add a new template. So click on the new button and choose label template. Using this form that appears, you define the templates for your sheet of labels and cards. In here, enter the template ID. This is the automatically generated after saving your template. So this is the simply system generated unique ID. Next is your template code. Enter a code for the template. The code should be something you can use identify your template on the list of templates. Next is your template description. Use this field to add additional information about the template. Next is the units. So choose which management scale or measurement scale you are going to using for template. This should be probably match the unit of measurement used on the template description provided by the product vendors. In here, the measurements, number of columns and number of rows can be found on the packaging on the vendor's website, or they can be measured manually. So first in here, page height of the page. Next is the width of the page. Next is your label width, which is your width of the label. Next is your height of the label in here on the right side. Height between the top of the page and the top of the first row of the label. Width between the left side of the page and left side of the first column of the label. Height between the top of the label and the top of the first line of the text. Width between the left side of the label and the start of the text. In here, number of the columns of label in a page or number of labels per row. Number of columns or label in a page or number of labels per row. Gaps between columns, width between two columns of label. Next is your height between two rows of label. So these are the necessary details which you have to fill while creating your new label templates for your barcode printer. After mentioning all the fields, after filling all the necessary fields, click on the save icon to save your new template. So this is the label template I have created. Like this, fill all the necessary field, and after that click on this save icon. Now after saving your label template, your template will appear under the label templates in the manage field. Click on the label templates, and this is the template I have created. So in the table of currently available templates, in here click on the edit button to template whatever the modification you want to do, or you want to do the edit, and after clicking on it, change the necessary values, whatever the values you want to edit, and click on the save icon. And to delete an existing templates, click on the delete button next to the layout you want to delete and confirm the deletion, so it will be permanently deleted. Now after making our layouts and the label templates, now choose to create a new batch for the label creators tool. You will be brought to an empty box. So first you have to click on the label batch for printing your barcode. So you will be brought to an empty box. In here, enter the barcode which you want to print. Once you have added all the barcodes, click on the add item button at the bottom of the page. Now you will be presented with a summary of the title which you want to print. So if some of the items were added more than once by accident, so click on the remove duplicates button. If you need to remove some items from the batch, select from the checking the box on the right and click on the remove selected button in here. So it will be remove selected items, whatever the items you have selected. And to print only some of the labels, select the item in here and click on the export selected items button. To print your label, to print your all the labels, click on the export full batch button. Or to print only one label batch from the batch, click on the export in here button to the right of the items. Either way you will be presented with the confirmation screen where you can choose your templates and layouts. So now we will print all these barcode. Click on the export full batch. Now you will be presented with the choosing your templates and layout. So this is the template which I have created and the layout. Select whatever the layout and template you have created, and after that click on this icon export. Now you will be presented with 3 downloads option: PDF, CSV and XLL. After that click on the download as PDF. After saving your file, you will be presented with your barcode like this, and here you are able to print your barcode. So you can save your file and simply print on the blank labels you have in your library. After that, click on the done. So this is how you can print your barcodes in the cataloging module, your label creators. Thank you for watching.